In today's world, with the landscape of substance use changing so fast, you have to ask, is standard drug testing really enough? Well, in this explainer, we're going to dive into the 13-panel drug screen, a tool that's really designed to give today's professionals a much clearer, more complete picture.
So let's start with this critical question. Think about it. Are your current drug testing protocols actually keeping up? The truth is, a lot of standard screens have these huge blind spots for modern substances, and that creates a very real and honestly a pretty risky testing gap.
And we're not just talking about a minor oversight here. This is a risk that can have some really serious consequences. An incomplete picture can compromise workplace safety, it can totally undermine your compliance efforts, and it can expose your organization to all sorts of unnecessary liability. But here's the good news. There is a modern solution that's designed to close that gap, and that is the 13-panel drug screen. It's an all-in-one tool built for what's happening right now. So let's break down exactly why its specific panels are so important.
Okay, so here's the deal. The crucial point isn't just about testing for more things, it's about testing for the right things. This screen specifically targets substances that are a growing concern in both professional and clinical settings.
Now, what's really interesting here is the focus on fentanyl. As you know, it's an incredibly powerful synthetic opioid, and its presence is a major red flag. The fact that this test can detect it is critical, especially since so many older tests might miss it completely. This test is also one of the first out there to include gabapentin. Now, while it is a legitimate prescription medication, it's also being monitored more and more for potential misuse. So, including it gives you a much fuller picture of what's going on. You know, the inclusion of ETG testing is a huge step forward. Instead of just detecting the immediate presence of alcohol, this actually confirms sobriety for up to 80 hours after consumption. That extended window is an absolute game changer for compliance and treatment programs. So, beyond those 3 key substances we just talked about, this cup provides a truly comprehensive screening. I mean, it covers a broad spectrum of commonly abused drugs, all from just a single, non-invasive sample.
Let's take a quick look at this table because it really gives you the full technical breakdown. You can see the whole list of substances, but I want you to pay close attention to the details in that cutoff level column. That ng/ml just stands for nanograms per milliliter, which is the tiny amount needed to trigger a positive result. See that really low 20 ng/ml cutoff for fentanyl? That sensitivity is what makes it possible to detect such a potent drug. For comparison, look at amphetamines. That's 1000 ng/ml. It just shows you the level of precision we're talking about here.
Now, you might be thinking that a test this comprehensive has got to be complicated or slow, but actually, this system was designed specifically for professional use, which means it emphasizes efficiency without ever sacrificing accuracy.
And the process itself, it really couldn't be more straightforward. It's a simple 4-step procedure that honestly anyone can administer without specialized training. That ensures you get consistency and ease of use every single time.
The speed is a massive advantage. I mean, getting clear results in just 5 minutes? That allows for immediate action and super efficient screening, which is just invaluable in fast-paced places like clinics, hiring events, or probation offices.
And that speed doesn't come at the cost of reliability. Not at all. With a 99% accuracy rate, this test gives you that high level of confidence you absolutely need to make critical decisions about employment, treatment, or legal compliance.
Interpreting those results is just as simple as the collection process. The panel is built right into the cup's label. As you can see, it's simple. 2 lines means negative, 1 line means a potential positive. It's designed for absolute clarity, no guesswork needed.
So, who exactly is putting this powerful tool to use? Well, the applications are incredibly broad. They span pretty much any field where safety, sobriety, and compliance are paramount. It's a trusted tool for HR departments trying to maintain a drug-free workplace, for rehabilitation centers that need to monitor patient progress, and for law enforcement officials who are overseeing probation. Its reliability really makes it a standard across all these demanding fields. Okay, so let's quickly recap the core takeaways from all this. What you get is a truly comprehensive 13-panel test. It includes those crucial modern drugs. It delivers 99% accurate results in just 5 minutes. And it's all packaged in a user-friendly design that's built for professionals. And so we end right where we began. In a world with constantly evolving substance abuse trends, relying on outdated testing, well, it's like trying to navigate with an incomplete map.
The crucial question isn't just if you're testing, but if you're truly seeing the full picture that you need to ensure safety and compliance.